Hey guys, this is BC Cougars 11. This might be my final video because one of us is about to die. Hopefully it's not me. Okay. First my friend Gordon's gonna go. Wait, no, first my friend Drayden's gonna go. We're playing Russian roulette.
Alright guys.
Okay. Right. He survived on that one.
Oh god. Oh my god, that was a relief.
Okay, I'm really worried. Gordon, hold this.
Shoes. He's dead. He's dead. Oh god, his mom was he's a dog. He's retarded. You know. You know what? We are gonna have ants. Oh my god. It is everywhere. Goodbye. This is BC Cougars 11. He's dead.